Hello everyone, my name is Spencer Barlusca and I welcome you all to another episode of my educational videos. For this episode, we will learn about climate and weather and how they differ from each other. First, let's talk about weather. What is weather? Okay, when we look outside, we'll be able to observe the condition of the atmosphere. Okay, right? And the condition of the atmosphere gives a hint regarding the kind of weather that we will experience for the day. The weather is the short-term condition of the atmosphere of a particular place. The condition may change within a short period of time, sometimes in a matter of minutes, and sometimes in a matter of hours or even days. Weather can be classified as sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or stormy. Weather has several elements. First is air temperature. Air temperature, this pertains to the hotness or coldness of air on any given time. When air temperature is high, it is obvious that we are experiencing a sunny weather. And when the temperature is low, it may mean that the weather we experience is cloudy, windy, rainy, or stormy. Number 2 is the presence of clouds. Clouds are suspended in the sky and are made up of tiny particles of water or ice or a mixture of water and ice. Third is humidity. Humidity refers to how much water vapor there is in the air. For example, deserts usually have low humidity while tropical regions have high humidity. Number 5, wind, which includes the speed and wind directions. Wind is the large-scale movement of air from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure in the atmosphere. Number 6 is visibility. Visibility is the measure of the degree through which an object can be observed over a certain distance. Okay? These elements would determine what the weather is like from a specific area for that short amount of time. Let us now proceed in discussing what is climate. Climate is basically what the weather is like over a long period of time in a specific area, of course. So for example, if the air temperature is always high on a specific area for, let's say, 100 of years, then we could say that that area has a hot climate. And that area is most likely a desert. On the other hand, places like the South Pole always has a low air temperature. So that is the climate of that place. Climate is important because it controls what plants and animals are able to survive in different places of the earth. Without climate, we would have this huge variety of plants and animals that thrive on different places in our planet, like polar bears that inhabits the Arctic regions and camels that are found in deserts. By looking at the climate of a certain place, we could predict what life we could find there. Whether it's hot and dry like a desert and wet like a rainforest, usually climates stay the same for hundreds of years, making the plants and animals that live there really happy. But sometimes climates can change. Usually the change is so slow that plants and animals that live there have time to either adapt or move to somewhere new. But sometimes climate can change very fast. Okay, faster than the animals can adapt. Right now, the climates in the different parts of the earth are changing really fast. The ice in the polar caps are melting, the earth is getting warmer, the sea levels are rising, and the world's deserts are getting bigger. And the cause of these changes is sadly us humans. But we could discuss climate change perhaps in our next educational video. So this is what weather and climates are. And again, the difference between weather and climate is that weather refers to the short-term atmospheric conditions, while climate is the weather of a specific region averaged over a long period of time. So this is all for this episode. Thank you guys for watching.